camera shutter effect. On my timeline, I have 6 clips. I'm going to effects. I'm gonna select the effects panel and grab an adjustment clip. I'm gonna cut the adjustment clip to fit the size of my first clip and then delete the rest. Clicking on adjustment clip, I'm gonna go into Fusion. Within Fusion, I'm using the mid-flow layout. If you want to change your layout to this, go to Workspace, Layout Presets, Fusion Presets, and then select mid-flow. Now I'm gonna hit Control and Space to bring up my select tools and type in transform. There are 2 different transforms. The first one is the normal transform that's in the toolbar. The second one is the one that we want. If you click on the second transform and it flickers back to the first one, just click on the second one again and then hit add. I'm gonna hold shift and drag it to my node flow. Within this transform, the X and Y parameters are separated. I only made my clips 3 frames long, but the principles apply to no matter what the length of the clip is. So I'm gonna go to the first frame, go to the Y axis and set a keyframe and move this up. With this transform, it's gonna stop at 0.5. I'm gonna double click there and then type in 1 on the keyboard. I'm gonna go over to my viewer and click and then hit Control G. It's gonna bring up this safety guide. Go back into the inspector. I'm gonna drop my parameters on my Y axis down to at least this first dotted line. Then I go to my last frame, which in this case will be 2. Go back to the inspector tab and click on this little notch here to reset it back to the original state. Then go down here to animation and turn up the motion blur to 1. I'm going to my spline tab, click on transform, click this little icon here to zoom to fit. Select this icon to select all keyframes and just hit S to smooth them out. It's going to give you a quick flicker effect. Go back to the edit page. You're going to click on that adjustment clip, hold Alt, and then copy it to each one of your clips. Add in the sound effect and you have a camera shutter effect. For effects, titles, and other presets, check out my Godsend Essential Editors bundle.